Okay, here we have the cubic 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 3. We have a maximum point here and a minimum point here. We can run the tangent along the line and we can see here the gradient of the tangent would be equal to 0, and here the gradient of the tangent would be equal to 0. Here, from here to here, we see that the gradient is positive. After the maximum point, we see that the gradient is negative, okay, and from here to here we see that the gradient is positive. If we click, we can see here the gradient function. We can see here the gradient is positive, like it's above the x-axis, right? So from here to this point here, it is above the x-axis. Between this point and this point here, the maximum and the minimum point, we can see that the gradient is negative, i.e. it's below the axis, the gradient function is negative, and then after the minimum point the gradient will be positive. Okay, and we can see that just by looking at the tangent. So we can make some sort of conclusion. Okay, if I click here, the orange bits of the graph, let's just move the tangent out of the way for a minute, the orange bits of the graph here and here, the function is said to be an increasing function, and for an increasing function the first derivative will be greater than 0. First derivative will be greater than 0, and then here, we'll move the tangent out of the way, this bit of the curve here, the gradient is the function is said to be decreasing, and here the first derivative will be negative, i.e. less than 0. Okay, at the maximum minimum points the curve is said to be stationary. Okay, so this has been a video to show you where an increasing function is. You just need to find where the gradient is positive, here and here, and a decreasing function. Thank you very much for watching.